I'm divorcing. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time of you joining me on my channel, I am saying welcome back to today's video. So today's video I'll be doing a product review, and this one is from Maybelline. If you see my reaction, in fact you know that no, this really got me. The first thing about the Maybelline foundation is the one I've used now, and I tried it on. Forget it, it was on point. And Auntie Maybelline, thank you for this. This is the package, and this is how it looks like. I don't know if you see this. It is the 24-hour full coverage foundation, SUPERSTAY, and this foundation I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10 for the impression, or for the packaging. I'll give it 10 out of 10. And for the pump, what should we give Auntie Maybelline? Maybe we should give Auntie Maybelline 20 out of 10, because it's so good for a drugstore foundation and still have pump. So thank you Auntie Maybelline for this. And for the color shade, I got this in caramel, 60 caramel, because I think it has 58 caramel and then 60 caramel. And if you're wondering what shade you could use on this, I'm on NC45 on MAC. So on this one I'm on 60 caramel. I don't know how that works out, but I think for the foundation I'm divorcing MAC right away. I'm divorcing MAC on this foundation, but I'm still with them on the powder. So but on this one it really shook me. It shook me that this could suit me so well. I've got little blemishes on my skin, but for the coverage for $9.99, I'm okay with it. I can't compare with any other products of the same value. I don't know. I got this at Superdrugs, and Superdrugs was doing 3 for 2. I don't know if the offer is still on. And then for this one, it's saying full coverage, but the only thing about it is about the cover is it's white, and then it's gonna get stained. You know, there's no way you can be so careful not to stain the cover. That is the only thing for Auntie Maybelline. Please, if you could change this cover to black, we'll love it, or gray, or something that it won't really show the stain on the cover. But for this, I'm good to go with this. Use this foundation, and I used my MAC powder. I'm still married to them with the powder. Maybelline gave us pump, and you guys will sell pump for us for I think £5 or so, or £5.50 after buying like £26.50 foundation. What the heck. But with this Auntie Maybelline, well done, well done. This is my first time of using Maybelline foundation, and this one shook me. And it's saying full coverage foundation up to 24 hours. I'm not sure I'm going to leave mine for 24 hours. I can't sleep with makeup, I'm sorry. I didn't use setting spray after all the makeup. I didn't use any of that. But yeah, look at, no fine lines, no frown lines, and yeah, it's all good. I love it. If you're looking out for a budget foundation, this is good for you. And then on the next video I'm gonna do a review on the Fit Me. I haven't tried the Fit Me Maybelline foundation before, but I'm gonna try. I think, yeah, I'm gonna try, because all these things that I got them for 3 for 2. So when I get any 3 products, I get 1 for free. You can still grab your own on Superdrugs online or in store. This is not an ad, I'm just telling you guys. I've already primed my face because I've got oily skin. I'm just used to priming my face. I've done my eyebrows, my eyeshadows are done, eyeliner, everything is there, but you know, I still got a little bit of blemishes, so we'll see how that goes. And meanwhile, the package is good. I like the package for $9.99. It's okay. So Auntie Maybelline, you actually give us pump. Auntie Maybelline, You put pump on this thing. This is good. For a drugstore foundation to have a pump, MAC, what are you guys doing? What are you guys looking at? Auntie Maybelline gave us pump for $9.99 foundation. Wake up, guys. Okay. Oh. Anyway, this is full coverage foundation and it says up to 24 hours wear. We'll see how this goes. I'm just gonna try this on now and see on these blemishes of I'm not gonna cover this blemish because normally I'm supposed to cover it with concealer, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna use this. Let us see. First of all, I'll put a little bit here. I'm just gonna pump it out now and see how this looks like. Ooh. I think this could work on my skin. So let's see. It's quite thick. I'm just gonna use my puff sponge. My Real Techniques beauty blender is already damp. Oh. Then let me put it on my feet. Let me put it on my hand. I use 6 pumps. The 6 pump is not as if I had to pump everything. No. 6 little pumps. It's a Maybelline. So you actually did this. I'm divorcing MAC. For the coverage, I'm gonna say 8 for me. For the pump, I'm gonna say 10. The whole package, 10. What else? First impression, 10. And it doesn't feel heavy, 10. I'm gonna use the C11 as my highlights. Please just take it like that. The struggle is real, man. And I see some people, they'll just do it, bang, 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 bang. It's all done. But for me, it's a struggle. I'm not used to this. But I'm getting there and I'll get there, okay? So for now, this is how this eyelashes is looking. So I'm using the Moi Locks in the shade, Born Baby Born shade. It's a kind of orangey color. This is how it looks like, and this is the Champagne Glam. So I'm just gonna use that as a little bit of lip gloss, and this is the lip plumping gloss. So this is quite good. I've used it, and I think this one has tea tree. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to drop your comments as well. Every product that I used is in the description box. So thank you so much for watching today's product review, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this video is helpful as well. Bye.